In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Manychat in just 5 minutes. Whether you're gearing up to launch a new automated flow for your business or enhance your customer interaction, Manychat is a valuable tool offering significant outreach capabilities. Let's dive into the quick and easy steps to get your automation up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to pull up your web browser and navigate over to the Manychat website. Simply type in app.manychat.com and hit enter. Once you're there, you should see the sign in page. Click on the sign in button, which you'll find near the top right corner of the page. Make sure to have your login credentials handy, your email and password, or you can use an account linked through Google or Facebook depending on how you initially set up your Manychat account. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the Manychat homepage. This is your dashboard, the command center where all your chatbot magic happens. From the homepage, navigate over to the Home tab situated on the side menu. It's designed to give you a bird's eye view of your active projects. Now, it's time to enter the world of automation. Look to the left-hand menu and click on Automation. This is where the real fun begins, as you can craft unique interactions that will serve your customers based on the flows you create. Automation is the key to letting your business engage with clients seamlessly without needing to be physically present every moment of the day. Next, we're going to create a new automated flow. You'll see an option that says New Automation. Click on that and get ready to start seeing your workflow come to life. Here, Manychat gives you the freedom to start from scratch, which is perfect if you know exactly what you want to achieve and want full creative control. Click Start from Scratch and you'll be presented with a blank canvas for your automation. You have now set up your automation framework. The final step is to bring your creation live. Look for the option that says Set Live and give it a click. This crucial step pushes your automation to your audience, allowing it to start interacting with them instantly. Congratulations, you've just taken your Manychat setup from concept to reality. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting your Manychat automation published in just a few minutes. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your automated flows are active and ready to engage with your audience efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on optimizing your digital tools.